the way.
That's how you fucking do it.
Alright,
the
I
line,
got
Rich.
that one.
Right,
I went down because it was like, I'm going down here.